Damian and I, we have always been together. We're sort of like each other's support system.
We came as refugees from Bayamo, Cuba, just seeking political asylum and the freedoms that it comes with being here in America.
When we chose a college, we knew we still wanted to be together. This school is very well known in the industry. I got to know the co-op program and the things that they could do all around the country. And through chemical engineering, I feel like I have a big impact in society.
It was my passion for problem solving and also combining my two favorite subjects, which is chemistry and mathematics. It's very challenging from day one, but you realize that it is needed for the curriculum in order to emphasize your critical thinking skills.
One of my favorite parts about being in speech school is that it really offers you the opportunity to do things outside of the classroom. You're being able to be part of Engineers Without Borders, and through the co-op experience of also being able to understand what I have to do as an engineer.
It is stressful at times, but the systems are in place there to help the students succeed in terms of finding a co-op and keeping up with classes at the same time. I think it's a lot of emotions, but the main one is excitement to start actually applying all the knowledge and the things that I learned in my career.
It's exciting, and at the same moment it's kind of like frightening, but I know I've gained all the technical skills that I need to be successful. I've made connections. I'm prepared.